Good morning, viewers. Today I'm going to talk about something that is most critical in our trading life is when to buy, when to sell, and if I have so many tickers in my watch list, which one to buy and which one to sell, the critical alerts so that we do not miss trading opportunities. So I have combined here two things, one that I coded, freely available, another that is done by somebody else. Now, there are many ways people are telling you in YouTube, they're actually YouTubers, not traders. Price is breaking out, buy. This is FVG, make and enter. Those are YouTube rules, those are not practical trading rules. I'm going to talk about something tested, proven for generations. This DMI, Directional Moving Index, is a very followed after indicator. It has got four components. One is the baseline 20, ADX, DI plus, DI minus. When the first is you will always enter into a trade when the momentum is high and the benchmark is ADX should be above 20. ADX above 25, 30 is very strong, above 50 is super strong. So the chances of reversal is very less. So you can take high conviction trade. In a scenario like this, if you look at it, DI plus is above 20, ADX is above 20, not 20 is above 48. And ADX negative, there is a bearish, it is far below 20. So the momentum is super strong. So this is what the DMI indicator does. What I coded, you can look at it here, let me show you. This particular script is actually constantly monitoring ADX level. It is constantly monitoring the gap between DI plus and DI minus. And there are two more filters here. ADX above 20 and volume is more than moving average of 20. So when this plots a buy signal, for example, here DI cross up, which means a buy, DI cross down means sell. Then again, it's a continuation of bull, continuation of bearish, and a reversal signal. Now, look at it here. Here, you get a reversal signal. Price was coming down. This gives you a reversal signal, which means buyers are stepping in and price will go up. And also, if you look at it, I'll talk it separately. It is at standard deviation level at a lower level, 2.5 actually. So here you get a reversal signal. This particular indicator is plotting this. This is the reversal signal. And this is where DI plus crosses above DI minus. Look at here. Now, at this place, what happens is, again, it crosses up. At this, what happens, the gap between DI plus and DI minus went up again. At this, it is a reversal again. Price came down and so on and so forth. These are high conviction trades. Now, so this particular tool or indicator, whatever you say, is giving you indication that yes, it is time to buy or time to sell. The next problem it solves is you can configure alert. Now, you can configure number of alerts based on the kind of subscription you have. Not too many people have very expensive subscription. So what I've done here, if you want to add an indicator, like, so for example, I have 82 symbols in my watch list. I click this, I select my indicator, and I select one alert. So one alert, if you add, it will be giving you alert for as many stocks, as many tickers you have in your watch list, and it will give you all the signals. What it will give you, I'll show you in the script. Just a second. It will give you bullish DI gap, which means time to buy. Cross already happened. Now the distance between DI plus and minus expanded. It will give you a sell signal. It will give you, again, buyer took control and seller took control. Adding the reversal is also very easy, but I did not do it so that you do not get alert spam alerts. This is number one. So this is free. You can reach out to me. I'll give the script, share the script with you free. Next, I was thinking about coding something on standard deviation. Many of us use standard deviation. It's actually a very good way to measure the extremity of price of a given stock. Standard deviation is freely available in TradingView. You can search in the indicator. But in my script I have added that the standard deviation plus some extra thing. Now, if you look at, I use standard deviation 2.5. I think yes, 2.5, not 2. Most people follow 2. I do 3.5. 3 or 2.5 to catch the extreme of price levels of the stocks I'm trying to buy or sell. Now, this is a theory, statistically proven theory, that at this level, price will spend 4.6% of its time, out of 100. At this level, it should spend, I'm talking about this level, 27.2. At the mean level, it will spend about 68.3. Standard deviation plus 1, 27.2. And here, standard deviation 2 plus is 4.6. T means theory. T means theory. So what I was trying to catch is, well, theory says price is supposed to spend this much of time at this level, but actually how much a stock spent its actual time at that level? And what is the delta? So here, if you look at, price is supposed to spend, as per theory, standard deviation theory is 4.6%. But actually it spent 9.4%. So what is the delta? Plus 4.8. So at each level, my code will capture theoretically what it should be, actually what it is, and what is the delta. Plus, there is one additional thing that is called point of control. Most of us talk about point of control from a volume standpoint. And price does react when price reaches those point of control from a volume level. But what I was thinking, I was trying to get one step forward. I was trying to think, well, volume-based POC is, of course, fine. That I also do. But what is the point of control from a standard deviation standpoint? In other words, what I'm trying to do is, from a standard deviation theory standpoint, how much time a stock spent most of its time? In other words, point of control from a standard deviation standpoint. Look at here. Time spent, this Sandisk stock at this level spent highest of its time at this level and this level. It is color coded in black so that you can understand very easily. So this is a very strong zone, because from a standard deviation time standpoint, this stock spent 53.9% of its time at this level. It also spent 53.9% at this level. So anybody who is a smart trader will mark this zone. Will mark this zone. He will also mark this zone. And what any smart guy will do, click here, add alert, price crossing, create one. Here again, add alert. Now, so what I'm trying to explain you is combining DI, cross, and standard deviation, you can take very high conviction trade. Look at it here. It spent 9.4% of its time against 4.6%, theoretically proven, which means it spent more time at this level. Look at the reversal, then the DI cross. And then from here, to here. From where? So it is 576, 1182. I hope you enjoyed my video. For more content, reach out to me. Thank you very much and have a good day. Thank you.